Hello guys and welcome in this sixth lecture of this React.js playlist. So now what I'm going to do here, like what I'm going to explain you here, I am going to explain like the types of component. So as you know already, like we have two types of component. The first one is class based component, the another one is the functional based component. The class based component as also you can say the stateful component, and the class based component you can say in another format like the stateless component, because in the function we don't have any state. Okay okay so let's get started with the good concept. Again you guys, the simplest library I ever used in my life is React. As you know, React is based upon the component design. Everything is in React is a component, which is basically makes React is simple. Okay, let's get started. So as you can see here, like I don't want to use the previous tutorial stuff. Okay, so get okay doing the same thing. Okay, so okay, what I'm doing here. Okay, just remove this. You can see, yeah, this is the simplest React create React app boilerplate. So two types of component we have. The class base, you can see this is the class based component. This is the class app extending the property of component. Okay, and also we have the function based component, but before that we need to understand what is the class based component. The class based component itself has a keyword class, and also it has the render and return, and this is the part of JSX, right? This is all about the part of JSX, right? Also we are exporting default the app class based component. We can have the constructor in this. We can pass the props here. We can have the super. We can pass the prop here. We can have the state in this. We can manually set the state, and we can do some of set state operation in this, because we have the state in the class based component approach, right? So let's say we have the name, let's say Piyush, right? So we are using the name, like here, like this dot state dot name, right? You can see here Piyush, I'm getting my name. Okay, so this is the class based approach. Okay, and also we can change the state from itself in this component. Let's say I'm going to make the button. Okay, uh change the name, change the name only. Okay, I'm going to put the on click event here, this dot on change name, or only on change. I'll make this as an arrow function, ES6 function, and this dot set state name will be like my full name, setting my full name here. So you can see initially I'm getting my name here. So when I will click on this change the name, then this name will be changed and become use by full name, right? You can see here. Again I'm clicking, so this is not working because of already changed it, right? So when I refresh this, you can see I am getting the old initial value. And I will click on this, change the name, right? Okay. Okay, so this is the class build component where I can read the state and I can manipulate the state as well. But let's say I'm using the function based component, functional based component. So let's say I don't have any class. Let's say I have a function. I'm not extending anything here from here. This is, so this is I'm using functions, or I don't have any constant state. I can have the on change. I don't have any render, but I'm using only the state. Now you can see on change is not defined, right? Yeah. Now, oh sorry. Oh, on change is not defined. Oh, okay, okay, okay. You can put like this here also, but no, this will be not defined. Why? Okay, I don't. I yeah, I'll use it, but for time being, for just a demonstration, I'm just removing this. You can see here. Okay, I'm getting so many of error here. Okay, because I'm using so sorry. Piyush, I'll give you a best example. Don't worry. Yeah, you can see this name, right? Because I'm using the function, so I don't have any permission or don't have any the way to set the state and do kind type of state, because I don't have any state here. But I can pass the prop. I can pass the state as a prop into another component, which is, you can say, the class based component. But if I don't have any class based component, I have only the function based component. Then how can you maintain the state? You can maintain the state using hooks only. Hooks. If you interested, you can watch my video. I already made the hooks video. I will give the link in the description. You can go and watch. But I don't think so. Like this time, I should give you a brief introduction on hooks. So if you want to maintain the state in the function, you can use the hooks. Okay. So timing now, I'm not. I cannot change like this. If you want to call the function, if you want to call something, so you can say like on change. You can call. You can call like this. Alert. Sorry. Alert. Some name. On change I can call. Oh sorry. So sorry. Okay. And on click, on change. Like you can see, I can call the function here in this function. Okay. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. This is the class based component, this is the function based component, and older was the class based component. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys are getting me what I want to discuss the points with you. And also in the next lecture I will explain you how to render, how to import the class based the function based component into the class based component, and the how you can pass the props the from the class based component to the function based component. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe our channel.